All right, today we're gonna do an unboxing of these right now, and then right after I'll get into the peacock video, but I wanted to show these to you as well. I might even do them separate just so if anyone wants to see these, they'll know that I'll be showing them. I also got this amazing light box. I love it. It works so well. You can see everything through it so well. I'm going to give you a sneak peek right here of the peacock coaster that we're doing today. Just so you can see how well the light box works. So that's it without the light behind it. And that's it with the light behind it. It helps to show all of the letters and numbers and everything so well. So it works out great. But I wanted to show you these because they're just so beautiful. So I got these on Amazon. They come without these ends being attached. I put all those on there because I figured those are the ones I'm probably going to use most often. And then it came with these pretty blue wax circles, so that's cool. But these are the real beauties right here. They glow in the dark. So I don't know if there's been enough light on them recently for them to glow in the dark now, but we can test it out. Let me turn off the lights here real quick and then we'll see just a second. Okay, so the blue one is glowing in the dark a little bit. And I can't really tell if these are, maybe a tiny bit, but not much. But this one picks up the most of it. So that's pretty cool. I like it. Not that I'll ever be using them in the dark, of course. They're always going to be used in the light, so for them to glow in the dark doesn't really matter that much. It's just kind of a cool, fun thing. And that's it for that. I got this light, like I told you. Pretty amazing. It's very nice, but I think I'll go ahead and take this time to show you the next drawing for the next giveaway. So hold on to your horses while I grab that real quick. It might be a little noisy, so I apologize ahead of time, but I am going to show you the next giveaways in here. Those diamonds are beautiful. Okay, so that's all of it. So it's going to be one of these here. And of course, you'll know which one it is when I do the video, because that's when you'll actually enter the contest if you do want it. Of course, it came with one of these, but I won't be using that. We have all of these. I don't know if you can see them real well. I'll pick up each one and show you because I'm going to be doing one of these each month as a giveaway. It's a bookmark. Oh, if I can pick it up. So that's the one of them. I don't know if that'll be the first or if I'll do a different one, but we'll see. And there's another one. Okay, and oops, I pushed the button accidentally. And then we have this open somewhere. There we go. These are the beautiful diamonds that come with it. I'll just show you these. There we go. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Right there. If you can, I'll show you that up close. It's so pretty. They have some of the prettiest diamond things on here. So these are going to be on the bookmarks. It's going to make them so pretty because these stones are so pretty. Oh, I love that color. That's like a real peacock color right there. A beautiful green. Those are just so pretty. That's the last one right there. Okay, and then, I don't know if you noticed on these, but they have these little holes right here on the end. And those holes are to put these beautiful things through so that when you have the a bookmark. So when you have the bookmark in there, this beautiful thing stands out on the end. And it's very pretty. All of it is very pretty. In person, even prettier than on video, I'm sure. But I just wanted to show you that. Then the next giveaways is going to be one of these. So keep an eye out for that in case you would like to win one. And I'll give you all the details either in the first video or maybe before the first video once I figure out for sure what they're all going to be. But these are the next ones that I'm giving away. There you are.